I give us no chance of this working. We'll go use some winches and stuff. We can get it out. Okay. Did you leave the keys in it? Perfect. That's all we need.
Where is it at?
So it's a fully loaded gas truck. The 10-wheeler. The smaller ones, not an 18-wheeler, but a 10-wheeler, but loaded, buried in the sand. At the sand dunes. I think we take all the pulley stuff.
The chalk blocks,
a couple of trucks so we can anchor it down and winch and see if it pulls it. I'm up for the challenge. Maybe it's the first one we don't get.
Nah.
Okay. All right, we are out of here. Michelle's going with us on this recovery. As soon as she gets here, we're out of here.
I have got the crew with me.
Oh yeah.
The crew.
Oh, we're filming.
Yeah, we're going.
I'll take it from you. So yes, we got the A team, the B team's up the road over there.
There's no way that we won't get this out.
Yeah, we're gonna get it.
We're gonna need it, I think.
Dude, they tried with a big old Dodge.
Yeah.
It was hilarious.
Didn't even move it.
No. There's nowhere to hook. That's the problem.
I'm a little nervous.
And it's facing uphill, so.
Oh, great.
Yeah, so.
Cool, we'll go see what we can do.
Yeah.
These two are with us behind me,
Good
so
luck.
we'll need it.
Did that just make you nervous?
Made me, we've never not got somebody out, so we're gonna get this. Well, I'll be dipped.
Well, I'll be dipped.
There it is. Interesting right there. It's a good one, lad. Pull the rear end, setting on the dirt. Oh yeah, rear end is setting like pancaked on the dirt.
And look, old Ben with Heck Yeah Adventures is with us today.
This
Dang
is pretty
right.
heck yeah adventure-y right here.
Dude, you know what? These guys said not heck
What do you think?
That's buried.
Yeah, this is gonna be, it's loaded.
Wow.
100% full. So, yeah, backwards is the way to go here. We'll get her unloaded.
Well,
It's gonna be fun.
what do you think, buddy?
This is gonna be a heck of a time trying to figure it out.
Holy cow.
Uncle Ben's moving the truck.
He just hopped in it?
Yeah, the keys are ready. He's hopped in and backed it up.
You know what that is?
He just got in it and moved it.
Okay, we're going to jail.
We're gonna give it a tug first. That's gonna tell us what happens. We'll give it a little tug, and if that doesn't do anything, then we're gonna set up out here and winch it. We gotta crawl under there, try to find something to hook to. Like the rear end is set and clapped out on the ground. We need to hook around that rear end right there. Give me the rope. I'm going in.
Go.
Okay. I got it. Okie dokes.
Want me to grab your feet and pull you?
No, I'll fill full of sand. Okay. Whew. Okie dokes. There's some grease under there. There's a lot of grease. I give us no chance of this working, but we're gonna try it. I'm tired now.
Yeah. I need to take a turn.
What?
I need to take a turn. You got
I
it.
got it. You want to reverse this? Over and up. Over and up. Just ease a little bit backwards. Perfect. That's good. You're in reverse. So what I'm going to do Alright, I'm going to tell you when I'm about to hit the end of the rope. I want you to do that thing and let it out and just spin, and we'll see if we can bump it. We'll try that the first time. If that, we'll try it a couple times. If that doesn't work, we'll winch it. Alright, I'm going to go out to the end and find the end of the rope. Alright, Land, are you on, ready to rock?
Yeah.
Okay, put her in reverse and ease on that clutch. When you feel me hit the end of it, let the clutch out.
Okay.
Okay?
Yep.
Here we go.
I killed it.
It's a push button. You killed it.
Okay, I figured it out.
You gotta slip the clutch, and then when you feel me hit the end of it, gas it and dump the clutch.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Are you ready again?
Yep, I'm ready.
Okay, start easing that clutch out. Start slipping it. Okay, let's go.
I killed it. But we're moving.
Okay. I'll hit the end of it hard this time, so.
Okay. I'm ready. Go for it.
Alright, here we go again. Did it move?
It's just spinning. It's buried.
It didn't move that time?
It barely moved. He's just spinning down.
Okay, Lan, I'm gonna get out of the ruts.
Okay.
We'll try it again.
Okay. I'm ready. Whenever you
ready
are.
Again? Start slipping that clutch.
Okay.
Put some torque to it.
Okay.
Go.
Killed it.
Can't kill it. You gotta give it enough gas it doesn't die.
Okay.
Are you ready again?
Yep.
Okay, start slipping it and go.
Just burying it, just spinning.
Do I need to hit it harder?
Yeah, hit it harder.
Okay. Alright. You ready, Lan?
Yep.
There we go.
Just spinning it.
Did it move it?
It's moving. It's just
moved
staying
it,
the
but-
same depth.
Okay, it's
still
gonna get
digging.
hard dirt though. Okay,
Okay.
you ready?
Yep.
Okay, here we go again. Oh, we're almost up on the board here on this side.
Yeah.
You ready, Lan?
Yep.
Okay, here we go again. Keep coming, Lan.
I'm coming. I just don't want to hit anyone.
You're
or
fine.
anything.
You're fine. Just keep coming. Alright, you're good right there. Stop.
Good job, dude.
Thanks. Woo! That was heavy.
That was good.
Thanks.
That was a deep hole she was in.
That thing's all there. It's heavy, man. You hit the end of that, you know it. We should have measured that rope. I'll bet it's way longer than it was when we started.
Probably.
Climb under there and unhook that one, Lan.
You didn't even think you could do it like this the first
No,
time.
I thought we'd be winching, honestly.
I did too.
Until it moved that first time. That gave me some hope. Look how far the pumpkin's red before it just caught wet.
Oh yeah.
Have to lay in there on there.
Look at where the front end was.
Yeah.
They're like bulldozed, basically. Well, that wasn't too terrible. We'll head back home and go back to work at the shop. I wish it would have took longer.
I know, right?
Now I gotta weld some. What's gonna take? All right, we've kind of cleaned up our mess. Let's go home.
Let's do it.
Wow.
That worked out way better
Way,
than anticipated.
way
We
better.
brought snatch blocks and all sorts of trucks. We thought we were gonna have to anchor them up in the parking lot to winch and pull that thing out, but we bumped it the first time. It felt like it maybe moved a little. Hunter said it didn't, but I was encouraged. So I hit it the second time and it moved. Then we knew we had it going at that point. So back to the shop, back to work.
I was fairly impressed.
Well, I'm impressed. That truck impresses me every time I drive it. It just works.
Look how cute this is.
On my other side.
I'm just riding passenger. I would hold your hand, but I gotta film.